Hi guys, this is FD for SearchFact.tv once more back with another video, and today we are going to bring you a review of Phantasma, which is the first time we've ever reviewed Phantasma. And please do note that what I'm sharing with you in this video is not financial advice. If you do require financial advice, guys, please approach someone who's trained to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. So what is Phantasma? Phantasma is a fully interoperable, decentralized, feature-rich blockchain and ecosystem that is custom-built with its main focus on enabling gamers, artists, and grammars alike to take advantage of the immense disruptive power that blockchain technology offers. Phantasma's mantra is that if grandma can use it, mainstream won't, which I do agree with. As a blockchain, Phantasma chain is a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain solution that allows for interoperability with other blockchains while maintaining a decentralized governance system. Currently, it is interoperable with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Neo. Neo, a blast from the past. Here are some of the value proposition from Phantasma. It offers on-chain governance. Phantasma's decentralized storage solutions enables the deployment of truly decentralized applications using the full power that blockchain technology has to offer. Phantasma chain's decentralized storage solutions offers encrypted solutions which facilitate user privacy. With Phantasma's Cosmic Swap framework, it is possible to perform token swaps and coin swaps directly within connected wallets without ever visiting a DEX or a centralized exchange. The Phantasma oracles automatically convert block and transaction data from other blockchains to Phantasma's internal format, which allows developers to fetch data from multiple blockchains and easily mix it with Phantasma's decentralized applications. Phantasma's chain allows users to use multiple cryptocurrencies as payment options through cosmic swaps by utilizing its price oracles. And finally, Phantasma's smart NFTs support a range of advanced features, including multi-layered NFTs, on-demand NFT minting, infusion of multiple assets, infusing NFTs with NFTs, and nesting of NFTs where unique non-fungible tokens are infused into each other repeatedly. Now, as part of our evaluation, we are going to give an overview across the 13 elements that form part of our DYOR toolkit. And those 13 elements are as follows. You got decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, project team, social media presence via Twitter and Discord, as well as the project's use cases, which includes the token that's powering that project. We then move on to the tokenomics. And the tokenomics, I think we've got approximately 4 elements within tokenomics. Okay, now that's that. Let's start with decentralization. Phantasma chain adopts a variant of proof of stake where it requires users to have a stake in the network by becoming validators or block producers. As a reward for their contribution as block producers, each block producer receives a share of the transaction fees. The block producers use a rotational scheduling per sidechain to define who the active block producer is. This process occurs in parallel for each sidechain, which will allow for horizontal scaling to boost the theoretical TPS of Phantasma chain. Each block producer is responsible for accepting transactions from Phantasma users, verifying signatures and transaction content. Once the transaction is accepted, the block producer adds it to the next block. This makes Phantasma a decentralized network within reason, of course. Phantasma also offers a next generation approach with the introduction of the on-chain governance, removing the need for forks, among other known drawbacks that other blockchains may experience when changes are required. This system allows blockchain rules to be parameterized in a way that allows those rules to be edited on-chain as long as there is consensus for that specific update. Now on to security, which is one of the 13 elements. Files on Phantasma chain's decentralized storage solution are encrypted and distributed across all active block producers and only accessible through controlling a specific private key. Every wallet has a specific amount of kilobytes or KB allocated in proportion to the amount of staked SOL, SOUL, which is the ticker symbol for the token that powers Phantasma chain. Every staked SOL earns 40 KB of storage, which means that a SOL master staking 50,000 SOL can initially store up to 1.9 gigabytes of data. Phantasma was exploited way back in 2022 with a hacker walking away with tokens worth approximately 1.2 million. In addition, 185 BNB tokens were drained from the compromised smart contract addresses. So that's something to note. We don't just give you the positives or the good side, we also give you the negatives as far as these 13 elements are concerned. And the next element is scalability. Phantasma is designed to validate 10,000 transactions per second, and the team also notes in their white paper that the maximum block size may be changed in the future to improve the network's performance. This capacity not only applies to the main chain but also to every single sidechain, which means that every sidechain will be able to achieve the same maximum TPS independently from both the main chain and all the other sidechains. This leads to the maximum total TPS of Phantasma chain that is equal to the amount of sidechains plus the main chain multiplied by the maximum TPS of each chain, which will give Phantasma a theoretical TPS figure of well over 100 times. This obviously depends on how many sidechains are connected to the Phantasma main chain. Next is interoperability. Phantasma is interoperable with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Near blockchain. In addition, Phantasma chain allows users to use multiple cryptocurrencies as payment options through Cosmic Swap by utilizing its price oracle. Now, social media presence. Via Twitter, Phantasma chain has got over 44,100 Twitter followers and just over 3,500 Discord members. The project team consists of 12 members according to information from LinkedIn, but there are 17 members according to Phantasma's own website, which includes 9 ecosystem growth personnel, which I think these are just the marketing guys or community guys, I'm sure. And here are some of the use cases that Phantasma chain offers. The Phantasma chain supports gaming projects, and by integrating Phantasma chain's built-in Oracle solution together with the decentralized file storage system, new developers can cheaply and safely build all kinds of decentralized apps that connect to different external data sources. Storage and transfer of value using the Phantasma chain is also possible, and Phantasma chain also offers the privacy solutions for use by content creators, e-commerce, and end users. It is also used for on-chain storage solutions. Phantasma chain NFTs are programmable, nested, multi-layered, timed, and can be minted on demand. Among other cryptocurrencies, the SOL, which is the ticker symbol for the Phantasma chain token, can also be used to pay for transaction fees. The SOL token is also staked to earn rewards while helping to secure the network. Well, the other thing to note as well is Phantasma chain operates a dual token system, which is claimed to maximize utility and to offer a health token dynamics between the governing SOL token and the Fieri Fuel token, ticker symbol KCAL, KCAL. Use cases for the KCAL token include covering transaction fees, mint non-fungible tokens, and deploying smart contracts. The SOL token use cases, voting for governance proposals, because the SOL is the governance token. You can also earn the KCAL every day using Phantasma for free. You can secure a unique name by staking. I think you got to stake a minimum of 2 SOL and you get a unique name that you can use instead of a long string of characters for a wallet address. You can use a unique name. Now on to some tokenomics. Like I've already said, Phantasma operates a dual token system which is claimed to maximize utility and to offer a health token dynamics between the governing SOL token and the fuel token, which is KCAL. KCAL fuels everything in the Phantasma ecosystem, from simple transactions to staking, minting your own NFTs, or claiming KCAL itself. Everything requires a minor fee payable in KCAL and nothing else. Developers deploying smart contracts and new tokens pay their fees in KCAL exclusively. Now, let's jump on to the governing token, which is SOL, S-O-U-L, that's ticker symbol. Circulating supply, 108,878,561 circulating. Total token supply, 108,878,561 SOL tokens supplied, but there's no hard cap. Now, let's jump on to some token distribution. Now, the SOL coin runs an inflationary model pegged at 3% per year, and there's no hard cap. Of that 3%, 1% is allocated to Phantom Force, the community of developers dedicated to creating and launching decentralized applications on the Phantasma cryptocurrency chain. Another 1% is reserved for the all-important BP rewards or block producer rewards allocated to nodes, helping to keep the chain secure. The last 1% is reserved for ecosystem incentives. In addition to the 3% inflationary coins, 125,000 SOL tokens are minted each month for the distribution of staking rewards to those staking more than 50,000 SOL in a single wallet. Okay, this is there to enrich the whales or those with deep pockets. I don't know whether it's a good thing or not. Platform development and growth was allocated 15% or 15 million. Team and advisors was allocated 20% or 20 million. Total tokens following private sale and public sales was 56,136,374 SOL tokens. This then means since launch, Phantasma's SOL token is increased by over 17.7 million to where its total supply is today, and the circulation supply as well, because they are equal. Inside the token allocation, according to our own calculations, ranges between 35 million to 87 million as of today, and it is quite difficult to nail down the actual tokenomics due to the lack of clarity around token distribution. Now, as you know, guys, as part of our DYO, our risk evaluation, we do apply our usual 13 elements, and those 13 elements are as follows. We got decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, project team, social media via Twitter, as well as social media via Discord, age of the project, use cases, tokens issued at at project launch, tokens in circulation at the point at which we are doing this video, maximum tokens available, as well as insider token allocation. Now, those are the 13 elements. What we then do is apply scores from 0 to 10, 0 being the minimum or the worst, 10 being the maximum or the best score. Once we've allocated those scores, we then aggregate to get a total, and it is that total that we classify under the following risk categories. The least risk category, according to our own calculations, is the go for it category, and here a project will have scored 110 to 130 points out of 130. The one below that, we call that potential category, and the project will have scored 90 to 109 points out of 130. That one down, we call that could go to 0 category, and the project will have scored 65 to 89 points out of 130. And the highest risk, according to our own calculations, okay, not that, keep that in mind, we call that the no-go category, and the project will have scored 0 to 64 points out of 130. So those are the categories, the risk categories, because mind you, the whole purpose of this exercise is to establish risk and to make a decision whether you still want to proceed if the risk is on the higher end. Now, here are some of the scores we've allocated to Phantasma. Decentralization, 5 points out of 10. Security, 5 points out of 10. Scaling, 7.5 points out of 10. Interoperability, 10 points out of 10. Project team, 7.5 points out of 10. Social media via Twitter, 7.5 points out of 10. Social media via Discord, 7.5 points out of 10. Age of the project, 5 points out of 10. Use cases, 7.5 points out of 10. Tokens issued at project launch, 2.5 points out of 10. Maximum tokens available, 2.5 points out of 10. Tokens in circulation at the point at which we are doing this video, 5 points out of 10. Insider token allocation, like I've already said, it's a wide range, 35 to 87%. That is quite huge. Therefore, we are going to give Phantasma 0 points out of 10. Do you guys agree with the scores we've allocated to Phantasma? Let us know in the comment section. So, aggregating the scores gives us a total of 67.5 points out of 130, which puts Phantasma within the could go to 0 category. Now, this is no surprise because quite a lot of projects we've evaluated since the beginning, they are all falling within the could go to 0 category. But then Phantasma within that category as well, it's in good company because there are some decent projects. You are talking of your Cosmos, your Avalanche, and so forth. They are within that could go to 0 category. Mind you, any project within the crypto space, whether you love that project very much or you believe in it, it could still go to 0. Always keep that in mind. So there you have it, folks. Our score for Phantasma. Do you agree? Let us know in the comment section. Do you hold Phantasma? Again, let us know in the comment section. I personally do not hold Phantasma at this point in time, but maybe in the near future, who knows? You never know. There you have it, folks. Until next time, this is FD for Search5.tv signing out for now. Bye.